Okay, this gentleman was in the MBO room last night. He always has a cool room, cool vibe. Are we the only ones left, Julie, covering the show? I mean, yeah, like everybody else is dead.
That's okay, I'm tired now.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I got some. Oh, no.
The last few hours are always the roughest, so yeah. And you still have to pack up the room. We could just go on a plane, yeah.
You're not even like done with the show. Yeah. But that's okay. I can relax. Yeah. You can take full time. Yeah, exactly. Do you drive in? Yeah. Okay. I had to shift the speakers and they fucked up the speaker and ship it. Are you serious? So I got everything going and I kept thinking, and every balance, everything was right, but I was like, right sound just a little louder. But then I realized it wasn't louder, it just seemed to have more presence. You know, like, hey, you could have said
Take a closer look at these things.
just like, oh, what's going on? And I realized the whole tone was switched out. So I called Ralph in Germany, and he's doing a show in Holland. So
So you can't really tell, but
he said, Jeff, there's nothing to do, you know, and I said, Ralph, we're not going there.
man, look at that thing. Holy cow. What the heck? I feel like it's going to create a portal to another dimension. I don't know what those things are here. Oh, Stein music is used. You don't want to see me, you want to see them there.
You wrote about it. Yeah, the boxes. Maybe a new version. Look a little larger. These are the pros. Okay, oh, alright.
So they're passive, they're not even plugged in, they're just like
There's batteries.
batteries in there?
There's
Okay.
batteries in there, so you can adjust the wave. You use a multimeter.
Okay.
So you adjust the voltage, and that gives you how much wave you want. I've got them backed way off, so it's a smaller room.
Okay,
There's
you
six
got-
of them in the room.
There's 6 of them, okay.
One behind the window.
2, 4, 5?
Yeah, one behind them.
Oh, 6, okay. Things are pretty crazy.
So is that new device?
Alright, I'm running out of hard drive space, I've got to clear out. So, just going to give you some excerpts for the rest of the day. But if you want a cool vinyl rig with horn sound, tubes, high water. Alright, good seeing you guys. I'm actually running out of hard drive space. Alright, good seeing you.